Stop searching for how to buy MTN shares in Ghana, how to buy stocks in Ghana, how to invest in mutual funds in Ghana, because today I'll break down 3 legit investment apps in Ghana that you can also use as a total beginner to start your investment journey, and you can start investing as little as 20 Ghana cedis. You can do everything right from your phone and you don't need to go to any office or do any paperwork. Many beginners want to know how to buy bonds, how to buy mutual funds, how to invest in the international market and more, but they don't know how and where to start. But this video will show you how to start investing little amounts in order to also make profit. I'm Emmanuel and I share videos about how to make money online from personal experience. So if you're interested in this topic, subscribe, let's go. As I said from the beginning of this video, you can start your investment journey with just 20 Ghana cedis. Yes, it's possible because of this app called Achieve. Achieve is an investment app that helps you invest into international and local assets in order to make profits on it with very little amount of money. This app is part of a broader group which is Petra Group. Petra Group is a Ghanaian company which offers services such as mutual funds, pension, insurance, and more. As a beginner, your investment journey can be overwhelming. That is why I've prepared 5 great tips for you, and I'll share it later in this video. Achieve app have products such as the DigiSave. Now this is a digital savings wallet that help you also grow your money as you save it, because it offers return which is higher than the traditional institutions. Achieve have Eurobond Trust, where your money is invested in US dollar dominated Eurobonds, and the goal for this is 2 to 3 years. This is also a moderate risk investment option, and the good thing about this is that your money is hedged against inflation because your money will be in the US dollar. There are other investment options in the Achieve app for both beginner investors and people who are already into the investment journey. If you want to get them all, I've made a full video about it, and you can check out the video in the description and also the comment section of this video. Achieve app have many products which are beginners friendly, and as a total beginner you can invest into any of them or start your investment journey with the Achieve app. But there's an app on this list which can help you even invest and earn more. If you want to buy MTN shares, GCB stocks, gold stocks, or any other local stock, you can't go through without the next app on the list today. Now the next app on the list is Wealth. This app can help you invest into local stock, and they have their own product which can help you invest and also earn more. I'm going to explain everything to you. Wealth is part of the bigger IC group, a Ghanaian financial investment institution that help individual and institution make more money on their money through investment. With Wealth, you can buy stocks which is listed on the Ghana Stocks Exchange like MTN, Gold, GCB, and more. Wealth also allow you to invest into treasury bill straight from the government of Ghana, which are low risk fixed income security. Wealth offers IC Liquidity Fund, which is a mutual fund where investors' money is put into a pool, and this help you earn more than the traditional way of investing into mutual funds. If you want to buy US stocks such as Apple, Google, Facebook, and more, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and also like the video, because the next app on the list will also blow your mind. The next app is called Bamboo app, and this help you invest into international stocks and more. Bamboo is a fintech company that operates an online brokerage app in Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa. This platform have the aim to allow everyone to buy into the US stock exchange and more, because with this app you can buy shares in big companies such as Google, Apple, Facebook, and more with as low as $1. With Bamboo, you can buy into the shares and ETF of over 3,000 US listed companies. In Nigeria, you can use Bamboo to also access the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Now this is available to only Nigerians to also buy into the shares and stocks of the local companies. Bamboo also have fixed income return, which is a dollar dominated locked fund where you can lock your funds and also earn return on it. You can lock your funds from 30 days to a year. Now this product is currently available only to Nigerians. With Bamboo, you can buy treasury bills from the Nigerian government, which is a short-term investment. Alright, so I promised you I'll give you some tips on how to also invest as a complete beginner. But before you go into that, if you don't understand anything, make sure you put it down in the comment section and I'll be there to answer them for you. If you are a beginner and you want to start investment, make sure you prioritize your emergency fund. What you need to do is to save for at least 3 to 6 months so that can cover all the expenses that will come in your way whenever you start your investment journey. The next thing is to educate yourself and define your goals. So define your goals for investing. What do you want to use the money that you are also going to get from the investment for, whether to buy a house, to buy a car, or anything at all? Make sure you define a goal for that particular investment, and that will also keep you going whenever you are also investing into anything. Again, educate yourself with the product that you are also going to invest into, whether mutual funds, whether treasury bills, stock, or anything. Make sure you get the right knowledge and education before you go into it. As a beginner, start with low risk options such as treasury bills. If you're a beginner, don't straight away go and trade the high risk option. That is why you need to educate yourself on what you are going to invest into. Fixed deposit is also another good product to also start with as a beginner, because this is mostly offered by the bank with a particular amount of money which is fixed for some particular period, and you get returns on it. Diversify your investment. Don't put all your money into one asset. Most of the times beginners make this mistake by putting all their money into one particular asset, and when that asset doesn't go well or go down, they lose most of their money. What you want to do is to diversify your portfolio so that whenever even one is going down, one might be also rising to cover up the losses, and in the long run you'll be able to also earn profits on your investment. Always think of long-term investments rather than short-term, and also start early. Make sure you start investment as early as possible, because the earlier the better, and also make sure investments are long-term, which can earn you more return on your investment that you also do. The next step is to get advice from a professional. Now, many people don't care about this or don't bother doing this, but it's the best option for you because the professional is a trained person and also have investment experience where he can also teach you and also guide you on what to do, especially if you are investing huge amounts of money and you are a beginner. So make sure you always consult a professional before you also go into investment or start your investment journey. Now, this makes it a lot easier for you and also safer for you, because in investment it's also risky to invest or start investing without any professional advice. So this is what you need to also know. Make sure you always consult a professional if you are also beginning your investment journey, or you are beginning to also invest in some assets which can also earn you profit. There is always risk in investment, so make sure you always consult a professional before you start your investment journey. If you want to know how to start investments right here in Ghana with as low as just 20 Ghana cedis, click on the video on the screen right now.